Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a product in Shopify. This is incredibly useful when you're adding similar items to your store and want to save time by copying existing product details rather than starting from scratch each time. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Products. This section houses all your current product listings and is where you'll manage everything related to your inventory. Now you'll see a list of all your products. Browse through and select the product you want to duplicate by clicking on it. This could be any item that shares similar characteristics with a new product you're planning to add, making it a perfect template to work from. Once you're viewing the product details, look at the top of the page and click Duplicate. This is the key feature that allows you to create a copy of your existing product, saving you the hassle of re-entering all those details manually. After clicking Duplicate, you'll be taken to a new screen with several options. First, you can give a title for your duplicate product. Make sure to choose something distinct so you can easily identify it later. Below that, you'll see a section labeled Duplicate the selected product details. This is where you have control over exactly what information gets copied over. You can uncheck options like media if you don't want to copy product images, SKES if you're using different product codes, barcodes for unique barcode requirements, inventory quantities to start fresh with stock levels, and translations if you're managing multiple languages and need different content. Next, you'll notice the product status section. Here you can set your duplicate product as draft, active, or unlisted. If you're still working on the details and aren't ready to publish, draft is your best choice. Active means it will immediately appear in your store, while unlisted keeps it hidden from your main catalog but accessible via direct link. Once you've configured all these settings to your liking, click Duplicate Product to finalize the process. Give it a moment to process, and your duplicate product will be created and ready for any additional editing you might need. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a product in Shopify, streamlining your workflow and making inventory management much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.